Hey, how are you, Mimi?
Sure, fine.
Yeah, how are you? Good evening.
Yes,
Okay, that's very good. So, how are you today? It's very cold in your country. Are
it's
you ready, teacher?
normal.
It's normal. Okay.
But with my mother, it's not so cold.
Oh, in the morning it's cold?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so teacher Ann will share you another topic. Oh, wait ha. Okay, I have here. Just a minute, Mimi ha. Okay, I will talk about animals. Speaking. Okay, so I will share it to you here. Wait me ha. Okay, let us talk about this one. Ay, sorry. Okay, so this one, Mimi. Okay, so we have here, okay, teacher and will ask some questions to you. Okay, are you ready to answer those? Okay, next.
Yes,
First, when is your birthday, Mimi?
my birthday is on January.
January. Okay, January is your birthday. Okay. Now, have you ever seen a real rocket? Have you ever seen a real rocket?
No,
No, you
because
haven't.
uh, because I only seen real rockets in the TV.
In a TV, okay, but not in the real that you're gonna touch. Okay, next one. Do you like to learn about universe? Do you like to learn
Mm,
about universe?
Yes, I like learning about universe.
Okay, you like to learn about universe. Okay, what are particular topic that you wanna learn about universe? Example, you give me example. Like,
Um, like mm,
like,
like the star.
oh, you want to learn about the stars. Okay, you want to learn about planets. That's all about universe. Okay. So what planet do we live in? This is a very easy question. What planet
I
do we
live
live in?
in I live in the earth.
Oh, okay, you live in the earth. Okay, now another one. Oh, wait, ha. Okay, can you please find me? Give me only, ha. Give me three difference that you can see in the picture. Please give me three difference that you can see in the picture. Okay, the one that you can see in the picture.
Um, in the picture, one
Mm-hmm. Yes.
have
Mr. Five, bumagapang gabi.
four astronauts, but
Okay.
in the picture two have four astronauts.
Okay, so there are three astronauts and picture two has four astronauts. Okay, what else?
Uh, in picture one, the
Mm-hmm.
baby hold the rockets,
Oh,
the
the
paper
baby hold the
rockets.
rocket. Where is the baby here? Oh, wait,
The
this
baby,
one.
the baby is uh
Holding a ting, 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 ting,
hold
ting.
holding a rocket,
A rocket. And another one. The baby is holding a
and in picture two, the baby holding a flag.
Yes, very good. The baby is holding a flag. Okay, another one here. Okay, ha. William and Emma are friends. They both go swimming lessons. I don't know anything about William's swimming lessons, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, here first. What is William teacher's name?
William's teacher's name's Vicky.
Okay, Vicky. What day does he have lessons?
He have lessons
He
on
has.
Saturday.
Has.
He
This should be he
has
has, ha? What day does he has lessons? Okay, has because we're talking about singular, which is he and does. So you have to use singular form has. Okay. What day does he has lessons?
he has lessons on Saturday.
Okay, very good. Wait, Miha, I turn on the aircon. Yes, lessons on Saturday. Okay, Mimi, what's next, Mimi? Okay. What time do the lessons start, Mimi? What time do the lessons start?
The lesson starts at 9:30
Okay,
o'clock.
9:30. Very good. Are the lessons interesting or boring?
The lessons is boring.
Boring. Okay, is the water cold? Is the water cold?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Okay, next one. Let's go to Emma. Okay, what do you think Emma's teacher's name?
Emma's teacher's name is Nick.
Hey, so what day does she has lesson?
She has lessons on Tuesday.
Very good. Okay, so what time do the lessons start?
The lessons starts at 4 o'clock.
Okay, 4 o'clock. And then, are the lessons interesting or boring, Mimi?
The lessons is interesting.
Okay, and is the water cold?
No, it isn't.
Okay, no, it isn't. Very good. Okay, great job, Mimi. Okay, so this one. Okay, this picture, Mimi, tell a story. It's called Catcher is in the film. Okay, just look at the first pictures, the picture first. You have to look at the picture first, Mimi. And then Thatcher is walking home. Okay. He can see a woman with some heavy bags. Oh, so there's a woman who has heavy bags. There are some people making a film. You can see in here, they're making a film. But Thatcher doesn't see them. Okay. Now you tell the story. Okay. What happened in the first story? You look at her. Look at first the picture. One, two, three, four, five. This is in order. You have to tell the teacher what happened in the story. Okay, ready? You tell me. You look at the picture first, and after a while, you tell teacher what happened in the first, second, third, fourth, and the last picture. Okay?
First have first mm, have some directors are playing the film. Peter's Peter's Peter meets Peter look Peter
Yeah, go
uh
continue. Okay, again first. Number one first. One first. What happened number one?
first have the have some directors are playing the film.
Okay.
They
Next one.
are they are they are
They are.
they are uh they are. The woman in the film have uh fold fold the uh fold the fold some things in the bags, and Peter come and hold on.
Hmm?
Then the woman is smiling
Mm-hmm. The
and
woman is smiling in number 3. Yes. And then look at number
then
4. What happened in number 4?
the directors uh come to and smiling with Peter. Last
Okay, the
picture
director is smiling with Peter. Why do you think the director is smiling with Peter? Okay,
because
why?
because Peter thinks the woman is mm,
Okay, because the direct look at the woman number 3 is smiling. And in number 4, you can see the Peter with the woman. Okay, so what do you think the woman is doing in the picture?
the woman I think the woman in the picture 4 is introducing Peter with the directors.
Very good. Okay, the woman is trying to introduce Peter to the director because they are on film. Okay, next one, number 5. What happened number 5? You look at number
Uh,
5.
I think I think the last picture, uh, Peter, uh, Peter
Okay.
become one of the characters in the film.
Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe Peter will become the character in the film because the woman introduced Peter to the director of the film. Okay, that's great, Mimi. So you understand the story. Okay, let us check, ha. Okay. Now, I have questions here. You look at the picture again and please try to answer the question. Number 1. Okay. So has the woman's back broken?
Um, yes.
Okay. What is Peter doing?
Peter is come to and hold the and help the woman.
Okay. Who can Peter see now? Who can Peter see now?
Uh, Peter see the woman is smiling,
Okay, the woman is
smiling.
smiling. Is Peter in the film?
Uh, then Peter is in the film.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So what is he doing in the film?
Uh, he is helping the woman to carry the bags goes to home.
Okay. So what he's doing, he carried the woman's bag.
Bags.
Very good. Okay. Here is the story. The woman's bag has broken. So everything has fallen on the road. Peter is helping the woman. So the woman is laughing. Peter can see a film people now. They are laughing too. Peter is in film. He's carrying the woman shopping. So he thought, so Peter doesn't know that what he see in the film is only Okay, a film. Okay, because the woman is in the film. That is why they are all laughing. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay. So another here, I will share another topic. You wait me, ha? Okay, so wait me for a while. Wait me. Ay. Okay. So we have here, okay, vocabulary. Wait me, ha? Wait me. Okay, can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we have here kangaroo. Wait me, ha? I will I will move up the aircon because it's very cold.
Oh. That. Dolphin.
Okay. Okay, first we have kangaroo. Okay. Okay, can you please look at kangaroo? The next one. Okay, next is bat. Okay, next is crocodile.
Crocodile.
And
Dolphin.
dolphin. Okay. Next one, we have goat.
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 Okay, and jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Okay. Penguin.
Penguin.
Okay. And zebra.
Zebra.
Okay,
Zebra.
next is butterfly.
Butterfly.
Next. Okay, camel
Butterfly.
Camel.
and dinosaur
Dinosaur.
and octopus. Are you familiar with all of these animals? Are you familiar? Do you know all of them?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next one, swan. Oh, wait, we have. Okay, that's swan and that's beetle. Okay, next is,
Tortoise.
okay, insect and
Insect.
four.
Insect. Bar.
Okay, next, frightened.
Frightened.
Okay, scary.
Scary.
Okay, large. It's
Large.
very big. Okay.
Large.
Okay, next is creature. We have here.
Creature.
Creature.
Next is
Creature.
Herbivore.
herbivore
Herbivore.
and
Carnivore.
carnivore. Do you know herbivore?
Carnivore.
Okay, these are animals that eat only plants. Carnivore are animals that eat only meat. Okay, hop and jump. Okay, here we have here. Okay, wait here. I skip this one because this is very easy for you. Okay, now, okay, what is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?